sort of tidbits, I'll call them, are something that we get from Microsoft threat research. We do a lot of that. But this is just to give you an idea of the kind of stuff that is available on the internet. In terms of, you could just go and buy these things. Elizabeth already talked about the commoditization.
No, we don't encourage anyone to go buy these. No, don't buy these. No. Just to be clear.
Yeah, if it's free, it's bad.
Yeah, even if it's free. Yes, just to emphasize, we're not encouraging anyone to go and buy these things.
But they are available for sale.
Yeah, so, we've got things like you can do an attacker for hire, an interesting choice of handyman. But, these are in US dollars, by the way. But, $250 per job or maybe more. I mean, depends what the going rate is for what you want. But it's quite accessible. The point is that $250, whilst is a lot of money, is not beyond the realms of reach for people. Ransomware kits. Now, Mark, you and I had this exact same discussion around this a few years ago, and it's still a thing. But ransomware, you can buy a kit, you can do it yourself. As we said, anyone with a search bar can go and work out how to do ransomware. But even now, we have, what's the phrase you use, Mark? Do you remember? Ransomware as a service?
Ransomware as a service, very popular.
Yeah, so what happens there is you employ someone effectively to go and do your ransomwaring for you, and then when your victim pays up, if they pay up, they will clip the ticket and take a percentage of the profit, which...
And provide support.
Oh, and provide support. There you go. If it doesn't work properly, or